Good morning, Sean Aquiline. It is time now for the Revelstoke Mayor Report with Mayor Gary Stalls. Good morning, Gary.
Good morning, Sean. How are you today?
I'm doing all right. We're now edging towards December. It's been pretty quiet on the Western Front for the last little while, so I figured we probably don't have anything too much to talk about controversially speaking. Nothing too exciting yet. So we'd probably do some house cleaning, house sweeping, and then go from there.
Well, I think we'll do that. You're right. We don't have anything controversial. We could probably start something, but I think we'll...
let it happen organically?
We'll let it happen organically. So just a couple things. The OCP, which we've been talking about forever, there is a growth scenario, which is housing discussions coming up. Online presentation December 8th, another in-person presentation and community discussion at the community center on the 9th. We'll talk a little bit more about that as we get closer to it, but just so the people know that there is some way that they can engage coming forward. And people can attend, they can view online however they feel, and like I said, we'll talk about that as we go forward. Just a message from our Public Works Department. Snow's coming, so slow down for the Public Works removal crews, snow removal crews as you're driving around. And just a reminder to our winter visitors, you have arrived. So take a breath, kind of relax, and just pay attention to where you're driving. You are driving through our neighborhoods. You're driving through school zones, that sort of thing. People are out walking their dogs.
Welcome to Blind Spot Central.
There we go. Yes, absolutely. And pay attention. Now, where you come from, people put their bikes away for the winter. Here we don't. We drive our bikes all year round. And I'm not talking about the bikes that you and I
No,
ride,
not motorcycles?
Sean.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, but the pedal bikes are out there, so pay attention. Have a look at that. So just be warned and be wary. And part of Welcome Week, our Community Economic Development Department at the city and CSRD is hosting an open house today from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. at the new Revelstoke Innovation Center, 301 Victoria Road West, and that actually is right above our info center. So if people want to go up and have a look at the new facilities, check them out, more than welcome. You can kind of go in and see the Chamber of Commerce Visitors Experience Manager to learn about the Revelstoke Ambassador Program. I get a tour of the Idea Factory, the Revelstoke Idea Factory Maker Space. Kind of cool. I was in there the other day and looking at all the 3D printers and stuff and some of the things that they're able to make. It's kind of cool. And learn how Community Futures provides support for local businesses. And also today, starting from noon to moon, is our Moonlight Madness. Special event in the plaza is our light up at 4 p.m. So again, I want to thank all of the people involved with the Revelstoke Illuminate Society. Appreciate you being able to get that together. It's kind of cool to see all those lights.
Yeah, it'll be very nice for a little additional lighting. One thing that's happening tomorrow, it's starting, is the Revelstoke District Health Foundation. I was talking to Stephen Huey, and they are doing a fundraiser for a new x-ray machine that we could use up at Queen Victoria Hospital. Now, in the past, we've done big radiothons, but with the way things have gone over the last couple of years, it just couldn't happen. So it's going to be sort of starting now or tomorrow, and it goes kind of towards Giving Tuesday. So Tuesday the 30th is sort of the end date. And you can go online to their website and make a donation, find out what that piece of apparatus is, why we need it. Also, you can enter to win, or as soon as you do, you automatically are entered in to win some pretty cool prizes. And this is what Megan Fotherington had to say about it. So more information at the Revelstoke Health Foundation website. And I thought I'd just quickly ask you, it's been a little quiet since we kind of heard, well, you guys heard how the community felt about the gazebo. I know that the staff was coming up with a preliminary report on how it all optically looked from your guys' letters. Right. Is there an ETA on when you guys have some type of info to give us? No,
I haven't heard anything further. I know that a lot of the feedback from the community was leave it alone. Don't do a major change, and so I want to see what the report looks like when it comes back from staff before I comment much more on that, and then we'll kind of give some feedback to the community as to what they've said, and and then we'll go from there. I think that's the key to that.
I wonder if we'll get maybe you'll find out if we'll see a report before the holidays or it'll be after.
I'm going to estimate it's probably going to be just after.
Okay.
Yeah, that'd be good. And the last thing that I have today, Sean, I just want to give a shout out to Gina Sinelli. Gina is a local woman who's one of 6 who's been qualified here in BC to go to Switzerland, I believe, for cross-country skiing. She's representing our own Mount McPherson Nordic Club and, of course, Canada. Pretty amazing for a young woman from Revelstoke.
That's right.
And
one of our lifeguards.
That's exactly it. And so I'm really proud of her. She's one of the lifeguards, one of our staff here at the city. And, she's pretty much reached her financial goals. She did have a GoFundMe to help her reach her expenses. So if people want to contribute, by all means, I'm sure she'd appreciate that. But just really kudos, Gina. We're proud of you. All the best as you move forward in your endeavors.
Okay, great. Thanks, Gary.
Thanks, Sean.